Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking. This video guys, I'm going to show you how I've made up a bushcraft belt. It's not a tactical belt, so there's no IFAKs on there or things like that. It's just everything I need for procuring wood in the forest and help me build shelters. So let's get on with the video. So everything I got guys is mounted on a leather belt that I picked up off Amazon, okay? Didn't cost much. I'll put all the links in the description for you for everything on my belt, okay? So we start from the left hand side. I've got all my cutting tools on my right hand side because I'm right handed, okay? So coming over to the right hand side, we start with this neat little pouch. I also purchased off Amazon and it was pennies. So let's have a look what's inside. So there it is. That's the first pouch, okay guys? And what I've got inside is pretty essential guys. A pair of cut resistant gloves. I bought them off Shein. They were literally less than a £5, but they cut resistant gloves, so they'll go in my first pouch there. The second pouch is from Forest Fundamentals, and what this is guys, it's a forager artisan pouch. So it's wax canvas and that's for foraging. Moving along, my fire kit. Let's have a look what's inside. So coming out of that pouch guys, we've got our char cloth, we've got our flint and steel. In that case here, we've got some Vaseline and cotton wool. We've also got a magnifying glass. That there is a stealth fire starter, again made by Forest Fundamentals. I'll put everything down in the description for you guys, please check them out. And I've also got in my fire kit guys, just because it fits in, I've got a tripod board there. That's a little item for making tripods. Moving along here, this is my Baco Laplander handsaw. The case it's in guys is from a company on eBay. I'll put it down in the description. They do various colours. I've picked DPM here, and as I said, it's waxed, so it's waterproof. So inside there guys is my Baco Laplander. It's a good fit as well guys, and it's a velcro fastener. Now again, it was pennies guys for what you get. Moving along, I've got another ferro rod. That's retained on a leather strap. I've had that for donkey's years, but that goes on there as a spare, as a backup. Move along once again. We're on to my cutting tools here now. So here's my axe. It's from bushcraft. Link could be in the description. It's an absolute weapon. I'll put a card up for the video I did on it. And lastly on the belt, which will be closest at hand, is my bushcraft knife, which is called the Dusk, again from bushcraft. That will also go down in the description. So as I say guys, this belt here is a practical bushcrafting belt. There's nothing on it that I can't put elsewhere, like my AFACs, my torches and things like that, which I've seen people putting on in bushcraft belts. They either go in my smock, in my pants or in my burgan. This is just for working outdoors. Everything's close at hand. So this is what it looks like on, guys. So on my left, I got my gloves. They're there first for me. Go over to my right. Easy access. My desk. That goes there. Next over is my axe. So immediately I got access to my gloves, my knife, my axe. There. Give it a twirl, guys. So I haven't overloaded the belt, guys, so there's no need for me to have to wear a yoke or a set of suspenders. That's really comfortable there. I can move freely, I can bend down like a stretch. There's nothing hindering me. So I think it's pretty well thought out the way I've done it. As I said, this is not a tactical belt, guys. There's nothing on it that I can't put elsewhere. I've got a large pocket here. I can put a head torch and things in. So I say they don't have to go on the belt, so they're not going to pull me down. And why have I got my belt on the outside, not on the belt of my trousers? Even though it's not that heavy, it will start to pull my trousers down. So you put a different belt over the top. So let's have another look at it, from left to right. Cut resistant gloves, forager pouch, fire kit, backhoe saw, spare ferro rod, axe or hatchet, and my bush. So there you go, that's my bushcraft belt. I've been working on it for about a fortnight. Obviously you've got to wait for things to come through the post, and I'm quite happy with that. It's very, very practical. So you're not in and out to your burgan and things, and if you're going to walk away from camp, it's all there with you for you to procure wood, see? So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a look up at this video here, the last one I done. Have a look at that stealth fire starter, absolutely brilliant, from Forest Fundamentals. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. Out.